Man, if you want to talk about crud and junk and nastiness that came out of here, wow. Well, if you want to talk about just some crud, some junk, some nastiness, look at the stuff that came out of here. I don't know if these people had ever cleaned their grill. So here's a few of the tools that I use when I clean out a grill. Might use a putty knife. For the bigger areas, one of these guys is pretty convenient. But unfortunately, when you get into something that's really, really caked on, I find that I have to use a wood chisel. And that was what I had to use to scrape all the junk out of this end trough. So this is where the diffuser runs down, and then it runs everything down into the bucket that hangs over on this side. Well, on this guy, that hole where it goes through, completely jammed. Nothing could get through it. This whole trough, all the way filled up. And this is the kind of stuff that was in it. I had to take this right here, this wood chisel, sharpen it up, and basically just scrape and scrape and scrape to be able to get that stuff out of there. It was so nasty. Can't believe that they didn't have a bad grease fire in here with leaving all that in, because the grease would just get trapped in there, and when you get a lot of heat built up in there, you're just asking for a fire. So make sure that you spend a little bit of time, make sure that that's clean, make sure that you can see the grease go right out into your bucket, and then use these little liners and throw those away when they get full. What I also use on the really bad ones is just a sharpened chisel. See how that's nice and clean now? You can actually see light through there. That was completely plugged up. There was nothing getting through there at all. There's the bucket that it drains down into. Hope this helps you out, and make sure that you keep your grill clean, and make sure you think about what you're going to smoke in your backyard this weekend.